In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to move data from one sheet to another in Google Sheets on desktop. Moving information between sheets is a common task, and the basic idea is simple. Select what you want, move to the destination sheet, and paste it exactly where you want it to go. I'll walk you through each part so your data lands neatly, without surprises. Start by opening your spreadsheet and selecting the data you want to move. Click and drag to highlight the exact range you need. Take a moment to be precise here. Include headers if they belong with the data, and avoid grabbing extra blank rows or columns unless you truly want them. If you're dealing with a large block, zooming out can help you confirm the full selection before you continue. Next, right-click the selection and choose Cut. Cutting prepares that range to be moved, and you'll notice a dashed outline indicating it's ready. Remember, cut means you're relocating the data. It will be removed from the original location after you paste. If you're just trying to duplicate information and keep the original in place, you would use copy instead, which I'll mention again in a moment. Now, head to the destination by clicking the Sheet tab where you want to move the data. You'll find these tabs along the bottom of your spreadsheet window. If you have many sheets, you might need to scroll along that row of tabs to find the right one. On the destination sheet, select the cell where you want the data to start. Think of this as the top left anchor point of your selection. The pasted range will expand to the right and downward from this cell, matching the size of your original selection. Before you paste, double-check that there's enough space and that you're not about to overwrite anything important. If there's existing content in that area, the paste will replace it. Right-click and choose Paste. Your data should appear immediately, keeping the same layout and most formatting. If you notice something didn't land as expected, don't worry. You can undo and try again, perhaps adjusting the starting cell to fit the layout better. If your goal is to keep the original data in place and also place a copy on the other sheet, use Copy instead of Cut in the earlier step. Everything else remains the same. Select, Copy, switch sheets, choose the starting cell, and paste. And that's how you move data from one sheet to another in Google Sheets on desktop. With careful selection and a clear starting cell, you'll get clean, predictable results every time.